What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Nothing there. Come on, this way. Come out. You wait. Ellie? Ellie? Wait. Wait. Come. You can't go in there. You're not going in those dirty old ditches. No, no. Forget it. Not in those dirty old ditches. This way. This way. Out. Don't eat. No, don't eat that. This way. Good dirty paws. Good dirty paws. You've got dirty paws. This way, come on. Look at that view, Elli-Boo. Come out. This way. Who's having a bath when they get home? What are you doing, eh? Look at that view, Elli-Boo. Look at that, all out over there. So here we are in Affpuddle Forest, I guess it must be known as. Never been here before. Well, never walked around here before. We've been through on the bikes. Look, she's filthy already. She finds every bit of mud, every bit of water. There she goes, look. Don't drink it, it's filthy. Out. She'll be having a bath when she gets home and then she'll regret it, like she always does. Bath time when you get home, Elli-Boo? Bath when you get home? Yes, I think you will. But yeah, so it's a bit of a windy day, it's a bit grey and miserable. There you go, look, she's found the mud again. I love water, I love mud, and I love being filthy. Until she gets home and then she just, you know, realises that, oh, hang on a minute, I've got to have a bath now. You come here. Ellie, come. You wait for me. Leave that alone as well. You wait. So yeah, I haven't got a clue where we're going. We're on a big footpath at the moment. I think, I'm not sure whether it bends back round or where it goes, but I'm sure we'll find our way round. Wait for it. Wait for it. You're looking at me. Oh, oh. Oh, she waited. Very wet out here, as you can see. Certainly not been a very good summer at all so far. Everywhere's still wet, and it certainly is wet out here, and windy, and very windy. So we've walked 1.25. Leave that alone. Come on, leave the horse poo. You were sick this morning. Leave it. Leave it. Drop it down. Get out. That's the other thing with her, she loves horse and cow dung. She hasn't started rolling in it yet, no doubt I've got that to come. But she certainly likes to have a nosh on it. Come on. But yeah, very wet indeed. And as you can see, she's filthy already. Never mind, it'll be a bath when she gets home. Make her all lovely and clean and smelling nice again. Get out the water. There we go, she's in there. Oh, she loves it. She loves it. Yeah, I'll stop talking. I'm not very good at this sort of thing, so I'll stop talking and just record and let her get on with it. I did try going live, but unfortunately out here we haven't got a very good signal, Elli-Boo, have we? Not a very good signal at all. It's just typical. Be careful, because I think there's a road up here, Ellie, and we don't want to be letting you out on the road. From my investigations this morning into where we were going. What are you in? Sand? Oh, I love the sand, Dad. I love it. Love it, I do. Love the sand. Love being out in the forest. It's like somebody with chunky tyres has been up through here. I reckon that's a motorbike. I don't think that's a MTB. Woo! Windy pops. They don't give any rain today. Elli-Boo! Ellie, you're getting a bit brave. Come. Careful. Sit. Good girl. Give you a treat. Seems you're a good girl when you came back. Click. Good girl. Gently. Good girl. Off you go. She's very good off the lead. Very good. Generally. Apart from the water. Apart from finding water, hunting it out, she doesn't go very far. She keeps her eye on me all the time. Leave that alone, if it's what I think it is. And yes, generally she's very good. I don't think we're going to head in that way, because that looks a bit too wet. So we're going to have to find another way round somehow. Perhaps it takes us into the forest and back round that way. Last day of our holidays. Well, I know we've got Saturday and Sunday, but last working day. Work day of the week holiday, I suppose. It's flown by. Absolutely flown by, Elli-Boo, hasn't it? Had some good time though, haven't we? Some lovely times together. Had some lovely walks. Ah, that's it, straight in the water. You shouldn't be in there, young lady, should you? You shouldn't be in there, young lady. But now I'm going to anyway, Dad. So we need to find our way back. Get out of it! Need to find our way back in a bit. She'll regret it later. She will regret it later. She loves water. I shouldn't discourage her from water, really. It's good for her to have water, and it's good for her to learn to swim, although she doesn't go in very deep. She just finds the little muddy puddles like that. Sticks her head right in it, don't you? Yeah, I should think you are. You have to have your ears cleaned out as well, won't you? I hope that was spray off of her and not rain. The weather doesn't look too good. That's rain, I think. Come here, you! Get out! Otherwise we could end up getting wet. Come out with there! Yes, we could end up getting wet. It's not looking particularly brilliant. What have you got? You got a stick? You got a stick? I'm sure this must go around in a big loop or something, but we'll find out in a bit. But this is beautiful, beautiful. So I'm going to shut up for a bit, turn the camera off. Not much here to see. Well, if there is, but not worth recording anyway. There we go, through the water. Lovely bit of puddle down. What have you got there? And yeah, I'll do a bit more recording in a bit. Come on, you. Oh wow, look, Ellie, woodpecker. Look at that woodpecker. Wow, my favourite bird, the woodpecker. Come here, beautiful. Ellie, wait, sit, wait, wait, wait. Come, good girl, good girl. Good girl. Turn right here, Ellie, go that way. Come here. Come. You wait. For a ball. This way, sweetheart. This way. So yeah, we've just done a loop then, right way around there. We're heading back on the same path by the looks of it. Not liking the look of that weather. Leave that alone, Ellie. No. Leave it. Leave it and put it down. You naughty girl. And put that down too. What is it? A bit of twig or something, that's fine. Don't tear it up, come on. Puddle. Puddle. Oh, I'm in the puddle, lad. I'm in the puddle. Don't drink that water. I've got nice clean water here for you. 2 miles. Come on. This way. Get out, if that is water. It is. You're in there, aren't you? Come on. This way. What have you got there? Big stick. Big stick. I've still got it. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where is it? Find it. Where is it? Not in the water. It's not in the water. Where is it? Maybe you are biting me. Where is it? Just it. Ready? Go on, man. Go find it. Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Where's it gone? You got it, Dad. Don't try and pretend you haven't, because you have. Come with me. Good girl. Walk with me. Ah, don't take it. Find it. Where is it? Find it. Where is it? Where is it? Good girl. Careful with it. That's it, carry it properly. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it on. Bring it on. Get out of there. Not going in the water. Bring it on. This way. What have you got? What have you got there? Come out of there. Mind there's no prickles. And they're definitely not going out of water. Come on, this way. Careful carrying it like that. Oh, you're still going to carry it on, are you? Come on then, this way. You're so funny. Look at the state of you. Look at the state of you. Wash and hairdryer. Eh? Wash and hairdryer. This way. Well, this weather, Ellie, is more like bloody October than August. I can't believe how wet all the ground is. Let's hope we don't get a wet winter. We could be in trouble. We're going to be underwater, I think. You still carrying that stick? You still got it? Careful, Ellie, careful carrying it like that. If you happen to hit it on the ground, you'll ram it down your throat. Come on. Keep going along this track. I like to go up and round really if I can. A bit different. All this though to explore. Blimey. Come on, bring it on. Oh, another one. That's better. Get that one. Get the little one. Let's have the little one. Let's have that one. That's better, Dad. That's better, Dad. That's better. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where is it? Find it. Where is it, girl? Where's that stick? You've got it, Dad. Where is it? Where's that stick? Where's that stick to, Dad? Leave the butterfly, don't touch him. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? What's this, Ellie? Where is it? Find it. Find it, girl. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Find that stick. Where's it gone? Is it out, not in there? Find that stick. There he is. Good girl. Let's go this way. This way. Take the long route back. Got a feeling this might have been where we came down. Might need to turn around, Elli-Boo. No, it can't do. This way. Good girl. Good girl. That's a big stick. That's a big stick. Yes, it is. That's a big stick. Oh, it's not quite so windy in here. Rerouting. It's going to take 3 hours. Oh, what have you got in there? Hey, you foraging? You foraging? Ellie, come. Come out. Wait. Ellie, come. Where does that go then? This way. Ellie, Ellie, come. Because I don't know what's there. Ellie. Oh, there's a house there. Well, I reckon we'll go that way. This way. What've you got? What is it? Come here, sweetheart, because I don't know what's up here. Come this way. Come here. Wait. Wait. Come here. Come out of there. Mind those prickles and brambles. Yeah, you don't want any of them in your feet. Come on. We took a wrong turn, Ellie. This way. It's nice to know this comes down here, though. Careful. This way. Looks like the sun's going to try and come out. Careful, careful. That's it, we're on the grass. Looks like the sun's going to try and come out, Elli-Boo. Come on, leave that alone. Where you two? Good girl. Wait. Still trying to rain though. Come out. Back through the gate, back down the path. This way. Well, it's a little jump. Come out of there, one of those brambles. Come out of the brambles. Still rerouting? Oh, surprise, surprise, rerouting. That's why we couldn't go live. Very, very poor signal. Come here, gorgeous. Not too far. Wait. Wait, sweetheart. Come out. Come out. This way. Careful. Is that big stick again? Is that big stick? I got it. I'm taking that on. No, it's too big for me. It's too big for me. I'm only little. This way. I'll just jump over that. I'll just jump over that. Wait. Ellie. Ellie, sit. Ellie, sit. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Good girl. Click. Well done. Good girl. Come on. There's down through there as well. Don't know where that goes. Got all this out here to explore. This way. Down through there, look. Oh, now we're back on track. We're back on track. Oh yeah, there's these signs here. You don't like them, do you? Look at that big bird. What is that? Wow. Here we are then, last stretch of our walk today, and we are at 3.24 miles. You wouldn't believe how far that is around that wood, and we've hardly touched the surface. Hardly touched the surface. This is lovely. It's lovely out here, Elli-Boo. You like it? You've enjoyed it, haven't you? Hey? You've enjoyed it. That's for sure. Shame the old bastard can't keep up with you. Trotting along there. Old Trotsky, come out of that water. Come out. Don't even think about it, Ellie. No. No. No, it's not water. I thought it was water. It's not. You'll sleep well this afternoon, young lady. You'll sleep well this afternoon. Come out of there, you're not going in that water either. If it is water, probably is, because you can sniff it out from 3 miles away. Wait, Ellie. Sit. Wait. Look how good she is. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Click. Good girl. Good girl. Come on then. She's so good. Not in that water though. Forget it. It's dirty, muddy and smelly. Otherwise your crate will stink when you get back in. It's going to smell enough as it is. Ellie, wait. Just wait. Ellie. Ah. Sit. Ellie, sit. Wait. Don't go in the water. Okay, good girl. Come on then. Yeah, so this is what I had. This is what I imagined having a dog. Sorry, put that in proper English, I suppose. This is what having a dog. No, forget it. I can't even speak. This is how I imagined having a dog. That's the way to say it. Oh, no it isn't. Wait for me, Ellie. Wait. I don't know how close that car park is on the road. Ellie, sit. Wait. I don't know how close we are. I know you run out on that road. Wait. Okay, come on. Alright, a little bit yet. Oh yeah, alright, a little while yet. So, 3.5 miles, we're going to nearly do 4 miles, Elli-Boo. By the time we get there, I mean, look at this. All these little warrens to explore. Could have great fun, sweetheart, couldn't we? I haven't chucked anything. This way. Good girl. Hardly touched the surface out here, Elli-Boo. Isn't it beautiful? Nice autumn walks. Get something to clean you off with. Do some nice autumn walks out here, can't we? Coming this way, we're not going that way. Elli-Boo. This way. Good girl. Don't even think about eating that, poopers. Don't even think about eating that, poopers. This way. Good girl. She's beautiful. You're beautiful, aren't you? Eh? Yes. I think it is closed. Nearly 4 miles of walking. About 3.5 miles. Come out. You're not going in there in case it's wet. Come on. I'll be back on the lead in a minute because I'm not sure how far we are away now. I can hear the road. Look at that corner. Wow. Beautiful. What a lovely walk, Elli-Boo. Should we see if Uncle Danny's in on the way back and scrounge a coffee from him if he's in his front garden? Leave it, whatever it is. This way. Yeah, I can hear the road. Throw a stick for me, Dad. Now throw a stick for me, Dad. So it then. Let's have that stick. Right, ready. Come, Ellie, come. Ellie, sit. Wait. 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 Go find it. Where is it? Go find it, girl. See if you can find it. Oh, that was easy. Bring it here. Sit. Give it to me. Come. Ellie, come. Sit. Sit. Leave it. No, come. Ellie, sit. Wait. 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 Go find it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, again, that was simple, Dad. Could have made it a bit more difficult for me. Ellie, come. Ellie, sit. Leave. Dead. It's dead. Ellie, come. Ellie, sit. Wait. 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 Go find it. Where is it? Find it. Oh, it's too easy, Dad. It's far too easy. Yes, it is. You've made it. It's not difficult enough, Dad. Get out of that water. Out. This way. Out. Come out. Come out. think we're nearly there now. Can hear the road. You come here with me, Ellie. Walk with me. Come here. Is that you that smells or the forest? Probably a bit of both. Ellie, come here. Wait. Wait with me. Car park's here somewhere. There it is. Go.